Hello friends, welcome to our channel College Tea Point. In this video, we will see top 15 NIT detailed information with placement, cutoff and rank. Starting with NIT Trichy, which is located in Tamil Nadu with NIRF ranking 10th and fees structure is 1,55,250 per year, which includes security money. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 12,485, computer science and engineering closed at 1,373, electronics and communication engineering closed at 1,319, mechanical engineering closed at 5,968, electrical and electronics engineering closed at 5,243. Now coming to placement table, overall student placed in 2018 was 95%. And 2019 was 96%. Now coming to NIT Warangal, which is located in Telangana with NIRF ranking 26, fee structure is 1,57,000 per year, which includes security money. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 15,698, computer science and engineering closed at 1,980, electronics and communication closed at 4,755, mechanical engineering closed at 9,243, electrical and electronics engineering closed at 7090. Coming to placement table, so you can see here branch wise placement. So the highest package offered was under computer science, which is 45 LPA. Now coming to NIT Surathkal, which is located in Karnataka with NIRF ranking 21st, fees structure is 1,49,426 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff tables, civil engineering closed at 17,125, computer science and engineering closed at 2,156, electronics communication engineering closed at 5,112. Mechanical engineering closed at 8,980. Electrical and electronics engineering closed at 6,811. Information technology closed at 3,731. So coming to placement record, the highest package offered was 39 LPA. Average package was 14.5 LPA. This is an important announcement which belongs to our application. We are launching our application very soon, where you can see detailed information about colleges according to your rank. This will guide you to choose a better option as per your rank. Link will be available very soon in description box. Now coming to NIT Allahabad, which is located in Uttar Pradesh with NIRF ranking 42. Fee structure is 1,68,000 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 19,847, computer science and engineering closed at 3,562, electrical engineering closed at 10,445, electronics and communication engineering closed at 7,402, mechanical engineering closed at 13,393, and information technology closed at 5,595. Now coming to placement table, highest package of 36 lakh offered under computer science and engineering and second highest offered under electronics and communication engineering. Now coming to NIT Rourkela, which is located in Odisha with NIRF ranking 60. Fee structure is 1,50,000 per year, which includes security money. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 70,939, computer science and engineering closed at 4,115, electrical engineering closed at 9,875, electronics and communication engineering closed at 5,674, mechanical engineering closed at 11,825. Coming to placement record, highest package offered was 39 lakh per annum. Now coming to NIT Jaipur, which is located in Rajasthan with NIRF ranking 53 and fee structure is 1,77,300 per year, which includes security money. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 24,000, 422. Computer Science and Engineering closed at 4,566. Electrical Engineering closed at 13,357. Electronics and Communication Engineering closed at 9,208. Mechanical Engineering closed at 14,772. Now coming to placement record, highest package offered was 40 lakh per annum and average package offered was 8.40 lakh per annum. Now coming to NIT Calicut, which is located in Kerala with NIRF ranking 28. Fee structure is 1,40,750 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 22,930. Computer science and engineering closed at 4,820. Electronics and communication engineering closed at 18,378. Mechanical engineering closed at 13,855. Electrical and electronics engineering closed at 11,908. Coming to placement record, highest package offered was 50 lakh per annum and average package offered was 8.5 lakh per annum. Now coming to NIT Nagpur, which is located in Maharashtra with NIRF ranking 31st. Fee structure is 1,49,200 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 23,282. Computer science and engineering closed at 5,289. Electronics and communication engineering closed at 8,422. Mechanical engineering closed at 14,304. Electrical and electronics engineering closed at 12,902. Now coming to placement record, highest package offered was 22 lakh per annum. Average package was 7 lakh per annum. Now coming to NIT Kurukshetra, which is located in Haryana with NIRF ranking 41 with fee structure 1,53,350 per year, which includes security amount. Now coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 25,854. Electrical engineering closed at 15,030. Electronics and communication engineering closed at 11,467. Mechanical engineering closed at 16,839. Information and technology closed at 7,261. In computer engineering closed at 6,313. Now coming to placement record, highest package offered was 40.63 lakh per annum. Average package offered was 8.24 lakh per annum. Total percentage of placement was 88.85%. Now coming to NIT Surat, which is located in Gujarat with NIRF ranking 58 and fee structure is 1,50,000 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 26,063. Computer science and engineering closed at 6,325. Electrical engineering closed at 13,956. Electronics and communication engineering closed at 11,409. Mechanical engineering closed at 16,856. Coming to placement table, highest package was offered 39 lakh per annum. Average package was offered 6 lakh per annum. And total percentage was 76.83%. Now coming to NIT Delhi, which is located in Delhi, and fee structure is 1,59,500 per year, which includes security money. Now coming to cutoff table, computer science and engineering closed at 7,286. Electronics and communication engineering closed at 12,016. Electrical and electronics engineering closed at 15,661. Coming to placement record, highest package offered was 39 lakh per annum. Average package offered was 6.5 lakh per annum. And total percentage of placed student was 76.83. Now coming to NIT Bhopal, which is located in Madhya Pradesh with NIRF ranking 62 and fee structure is 1,48,271 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff table, civil engineering closed at 436. Computer Science Engineering closed at 7,290. Electrical Engineering closed at 15,602. Electronics and Communication Engineering closed at 12,504. Mechanical Engineering closed at 18,418. Now coming to placement record, highest package was not found on official website. Average package 7+ lakh per annum and percentage of student placed was 85%. Now coming to NIT Durgapur, which is located in West Bengal with NIRF ranking 46 and fee structure is 1,49,100 per year, which includes security money. Coming to cutoff table, Civil Engineering closed at 26,859. Computer Science and Engineering closed at 9,193. Electrical Engineering closed at 16,776. Electronics and Communication Engineering closed at 13,122. Mechanical Engineering closed at 19,908. And coming to placement record, highest package offered was 32 lakh per annum and total percentage of student placed was 70%. Now coming to NIT Jamshedpur, which is located in Jharkhand with NIRF ranking 130 and fee structure is 1,58,000 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff table, Civil Engineering closed at 30,125. Computer Science and Engineering closed at 9,434. Electrical Engineering closed at 18,296. Electronics and Communication Engineering closed at 14,655. Mechanical Engineering closed at 21,256. Coming to placement record, highest package was 39 lakh per annum. Coming to NIT Jalandhar, which is located in Punjab with NIRF ranking 119. Fee structure is 1,64,000 per year, which includes security amount. Coming to cutoff table, Civil Engineering closed at 28,616. Computer Science and Engineering closed at 9,667. Electrical Engineering closed at 18,057. Electronics and Communication Engineering closed at 15,011. Mechanical Engineering closed at 22,026. Information Technology closed at 10,836. Coming to placement record, highest package offered was 39 lakh per annum. Average package offered was 7.5 lakh per annum and total student percentage placed was 86%. This is the table which shows top 10 NITs according to NIRF ranking. I hope this video is beneficial for you. So please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.